This is the best. This is the best device I have ever used to lift and tighten my hooded eyes. Hi everyone, welcome back to Beauty Beyond 40. Today's video is super exciting because it is NIRA's 4th birthday, if you can believe it. And this is the first time that I've been able to include both the NIRA Precision and the NIRA Pro in their anniversary sale. And keep in mind that this 20% off the NIRA Pro is not available to the general public. It's only available to you, my community. So that's really exciting. And I'll have all the info down in the description so you can click through and shop. The dates of the sale are August 16th through August 20th. So it's a short window, so if you are hoping to shop these lasers, I recommend doing it sooner rather than later before the lasers sell out, because they have sold out in the past, and I would hate for that to happen to you, so you'll miss out on 20% off. This video is in partnership with NIRA. Thank you to NIRA for continuing to support my channel over the years. If you're new here, hi, my name's Trina. I'm 48 years old, and I make videos mostly about beauty devices. If you're interested in this topic, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I'm also on TikTok and Instagram, where I post a lot of sneak peeks for the new devices that I'm testing before I have time to post them on YouTube. I also have a private Facebook group all about beauty devices that has almost 29,000 members. I will leave links to all of this down in the description in case you're interested. So if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I am absolutely obsessed with my NIRA Precision laser. I use this almost every single day, mostly to treat my hooded eyes. I have tried other devices over the years, and they work okay, but this device is the only device that I have seen to provide dramatic results for my hooded eyes. This is the best. This is the best device I have ever used to lift and tighten my hooded eyes. But it also has lots of other benefits for your face that I'm gonna go into in a little bit. Now, the NIRA Pro is the most recent laser to launch. This laser is awesome because you can treat your entire face in 3 minutes. I tried to do my whole face with the Precision laser, and it takes so long because you have to move across your entire face with this little head. This makes it so fast and easy, and you can do your face, your neck, your chest, the back of your hands in around just 5 minutes a day. So it's really a game changer, and I just love that I have the same technology as the Precision laser in this new Pro device that allows me to cover so much surface area. It's really amazing that we have this kind of technology available for at-home use. So I am using both of these lasers, and I'll go over the differences between them in a little bit more detail. So to help you decide which laser might be best for you, let's go through the details of both of these lasers. So first, let's talk about the NIRA Pro. As I mentioned earlier, this is the latest laser to launch from NIRA, and it has a big enough head so that you can treat the entire face in just 3 minutes a day. It is the largest and fastest at-home laser that's FDA cleared and clinically proven to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. And you don't have to just use it on your face. You can also use it on your neck, your chest, and the back of your hands. The laser uses the same non-fractional technology that dermatologists use, but you get to use it at home, and you don't have to pay for expensive treatments because you buy it once and then you can use it at home indefinitely. Customers have reported improvement in skin tone, skin texture, wrinkles, and sagging skin. And both lasers offer a 90-day money-back guarantee, so I invite you to take the challenge. Test the lasers for 90 days, and if you don't see results, you get your money back, so you really have nothing to lose. But I can't stress enough how important it is to properly hydrate your skin after you use the laser, which is why I highly recommend getting a hyaluronic acid serum so that you can deeply hydrate your skin. I really like this hyaluronic acid serum because it's simple, it's clean, it doesn't have any added ingredients, it doesn't have any scent, and it has 99% natural ingredients. I really, really do love this serum. What I like to do is the 3-step method where I dampen my face with a facial spray, then I apply the hyaluronic acid, and then I seal it in with a moisturizer. So it's really important that you hydrate your skin. Both of the lasers are suitable for all skin types. There's no downtime, there's no pain. If you use it properly, you have to use it on clean, dry skin. If you're sweating because it's summer, grab a fan, do whatever you need to do to make sure your skin is dry, because if it's not dry, it could hurt. And also, both lasers have multiple levels. I use the Pro on level 5 and I use the Precision on level 2. I haven't been able to get past 2 because that's the threshold where it feels comfortable for my skin. So you can adjust the levels so that you don't feel any pain. Now, the NIRA Precision laser has a much smaller head, and it was designed to be used around the eye area. So it's clinically proven and FDA cleared to treat wrinkles around the eye area, and it only takes a couple minutes a day, and you do use it every day. And this one you can use twice a day if you want to. I think the Pro you can use once a day. But this one is for the eye area, but a lot of people like to use it around the mouth area, around the lips, or other parts of their face, and have seen great results. What I really like about this laser is that the head can really get into the small areas. I tried to use the Pro on my hooded eyes, and it's too big and it just doesn't get into the area that I need to. And around the eyes, I like to treat the crow's feet and around my orbital bone, and it just gets really, really, really tight into those smaller spaces. Also, it's the same thing for your nasolabial folds. You can get right in there and you can get around your lips and just treat the small areas much better with the precision. I do think it's a great idea to get both lasers because you can treat so much more surface area with the Pro, but the precision is still essential for treating around the eye area. And it is clinically proven, FDA cleared to treat fine lines and wrinkles around the eye area. Customers have also seen improvement in dark circles, mouth wrinkles, and of course, hooded eyes. I swear by this for my hooded eyes. The NIRA Precision uses the same laser technology that dermatologists use, just like the Pro, but now you can purchase it, take it home, and use it every single day in the comfort of your home and not have to pay for an expensive treatment over and over again at the dermatologist's office. There's no redness, there's no pain, there's no downtime, and it's suitable for all skin types. So side by side, these lasers, we'll review it again. They both use the same laser technology. They both are FDA cleared and clinically proven to reduce fine lines and wrinkles by stimulating natural collagen production. This one treats the entire face in 3 minutes. This one treats the eye area in 2 minutes. Now, the NIRA Precision has a button down here that you turn on, and you can adjust the level here at the bottom. And once you get the level to the right level you want to use, you actually have to press this button here to trigger the laser. And if you get it wrong, it will make a different noise so that you know that you need to redo that area. Like if it's not sitting on your skin properly, you hear that? It'll go like this. If you press the button and you don't have it against your skin, so you know that it didn't work, you do it again. Whereas the Pro, it automatically triggers. So you turn it on and you adjust the level, and then you put it against your skin, and it automatically triggers. So you don't need to push the button. And that's really convenient when you're doing your whole face, your neck, your chest, your hands. It makes it a lot faster. They both have 5 levels, so you can adjust it based on the sensitivity of your skin. The NIRA Pro has also been shown to improve skin texture, skin tone, and tighten skin, and the NIRA Precision has been shown to lift hooded eyes and brighten dark circles. So now I will show you some before and after photos. I have my before and after photos of my NIRA Precision laser when I first started using it a few years ago. So I'm gonna walk you through that right now. In just 30 days, my hoods really started to tighten up. And you can see here as I continue to use the laser, my eyes continue to improve. And then regarding the NIRA Pro, I don't have before and after photos of myself yet because I had started testing it a couple months ago, and then I went to Greece and I got so much sun damage on my chest. I got a lot of melasma that came back. I'm covering it up with a lot of makeup right now, but wow, that melasma came back. If you get melasma or hyperpigmentation, it is so stubborn. So my chest has a lot of sun damage, so I have to start up again. That will be the first area that I'm gonna be testing the NIRA Pro, just to see if I can smooth out the wrinkles, get my chest looking a lot more youthful. So but what I do have are photos that the NIRA team provided me, and I'm gonna walk you through those right now. I have a whole bunch of new photos to show you in this video. In my last NIRA Pro video about the launch, I saw all of your comments about the before and after photos. A lot of you commented that you thought the lighting wasn't the same across the before and after photos, so it was difficult for you to see the differences, and I take this very seriously. So I asked the brand for more photos. I went through all the photos and pulled the best ones where the lighting is very similar. These are real people and real results. And all of these real people used the NIRA Pro device for 90 days. So in this first set of before and afters, this is the full face, and you can definitely see results in the after photo. You can see how much tighter and firmer and smoother and brighter her skin is in the after photo. In this next set of photos, you can see around her eye area is much less red in the after photo. Her forehead is less red, and overall her skin on her face just looks tighter and more firm, especially around the eye area is where I see it. This set of photos is from my original Pro launch video, and I really love this one because her eye area is drastically improved. Her overall tone of her skin is more uniform, and her eye area, her under eye area, just looks so much better in the after photo. This next set of photos specifically shows the neck area. You can see the reduction in jowls. You can see her entire neck area and under her chin is so much tighter and firmer, and her wrinkles are much smoother in the after photo. In this next set of hand photos, the after photo clearly shows a much more smooth hand where wrinkles and texture have been significantly reduced. In this last set of chest photos, you can clearly see her chest is so much more smooth, the tone is more even, there's less redness, there's fewer wrinkles, and I am so excited to keep testing the NIRA Pro on my chest because I can use all the help I can get on my sun-damaged chest. All right, now I'm gonna get into the demos of both of these lasers, so I will show you how I use the NIRA Precision and the NIRA Pro. I use level 2 and I start on one of my hooded eyes, and I'm really careful to not go anywhere near my eyeball. I normally push up and hold before each laser pulse. Then when I'm done, I move below my eye and do 40 pulses underneath my eye before moving to the other under eye. Then I finish working under that eye and move to the other hooded eye and do 40 pulses above the other eye. It's really, really fast and easy, only takes a couple of minutes. Then I do the hydration part where I will spritz my face with a facial spritzer, and then I will apply the NIRA hyaluronic acid to really hydrate and plump up the area. Then I like to seal in the serum with an eye cream to make sure that I maximize the hydration in the area that I just treated. I press the button to turn it on, and you will push the button to adjust the level, and you just hold the laser against your skin. It will activate the laser automatically. You don't have to push a button, and then you hear the beep and you move it to the next area on your face and just move it across the entire surface area of your face and your neck. And I'm just moving it across my forehead now, and it's a good idea to use a mirror so you can make sure you're getting all the surface area. And I'm finishing up the forehead area and making sure I get my 11s and going around my eyes. And then I wanted to slow it down for just this section and show you how I try to do my hooded eyes. I could lift up my eyebrow and try to get the hood, but it doesn't really work that great because the head of the laser is just so much larger than the precision laser. So I wanted to show you what it looks like, but I don't think that this laser is the best for your hoods. Maybe if you have more surface area around your hooded eyes, it could work for you, but I just don't think that this is the best for me personally. Now I'll speed it up again and show you the rest of my face. I do the cheeks, around the mouth, and then my other cheek, just working my way diagonally down the side of my face, going down around my chin, working my way to the other side of my face. Then I like to do one full pass along my jawline underneath my chin just to make sure I tighten up that area. Then when I do my neck, I like to hold my hand on the center of my neck to make sure I don't use the laser in that area. So I just do the sides, and then I move to the chest area and I try to focus on the area where I have the most sun damage. And then I move to the back of my hands, still on level 5, and I work it across the entire back of my hands, and I make sure I focus on those dark spots to make sure that I try to brighten those up. And then I finish the complete surface area of both of my hands, and then I turn it off and I apply some of the hyaluronic acid all over my face, around my eyes, on my neck, my chest, and the back of my hands, and I'm all set for the day. So that's all I have for you today. Make sure to go down to the description and click through and use the special promo codes provided so that you can shop the NIRA Precision, the NIRA Pro, the hyaluronic acid, and the bundles at 20% off. Remember, this sale only lasts through August 20th, so make sure to shop before they sell out. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, leave a comment, share with a friend, and be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.